Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a demo and my thoughts on this foundation. This is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep watching. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. Today we have another foundation. This is the third foundation of the week. Make sure you guys are checking out all my foundation videos. This is kind of like a foundation focused week. So here it is. It is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte. Now I do have the other one, so I really do like this one. However, I felt like with my skin type I could only wear it like during the winter time. This one is the Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. In my personal opinion, I feel like this one is more so on the, you know, like creamier side, like what it says, and this one is luminous matte. So hopefully this one I'll be able to wear all year round, because I definitely can't wear this one you know, all year round. I could really only wear it like right now and maybe like springtime, so probably winter. So here's the two. They are both the same color. They pretty much look the same. You know, sometimes these companies, they come out with colors. Well, this one, you know what, the new one kind of does look a little different. That's always my fear, is like when they come out with the foundation, like maybe it won't be the same color. I have both of these in Nutmeg. This is actually a more perfect match for me. I know last time I think I did like cocoa bean, or I don't know, it was another color after this one, but it's a little bit too dark. I did that with the stick foundation, but Nutmeg is like perfect on for me. I'm going to start off by priming my face. I didn't get the primer because I'm a creature of habit. I like using what I know works, so that's why I didn't get the primer. But I don't know, I'm thinking about it, and if I do, I definitely will come back and do my makeup and everything with that primer. But today we're going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So like I explained in my other videos, I feel like this Hydro Grip Primer really just, I don't know, for me it just really works, and it works well with every foundation. And also I do have combination skin, so sometimes I hate like having to, because sometimes I have to just go on with two primers, which is not a big deal because I know my skin type. But at the same time, like if I can just do it with one step, I am completely just okay always using this. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyebrows and probably eyeshadow off camera.
You won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engage and use on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay, so I have finished my face and everything. I did use mostly Huda Beauty products, especially on the face. It was just a few things I didn't have, like an all over powder and the bronzer, but everything else pretty excuse me, everything else pretty much is Huda. So yeah, so I used their Kunafa powder, the powder and tan, and then their concealer. So I use mostly Huda, and then I also use it on the eyes as well. So yeah, and then this lippy is Cocoa by Juvia's Place. Since I have on my brown robe, because we're not really going anywhere, which most of the time in my videos I'm not going anywhere, sometimes I am, but I just didn't feel like getting dressed and I wanted it to be like very cozy. So hopefully you guys won't mind me reviewing this foundation in my robe. So anywho, let's go ahead and get right into this foundation. So I am really here for the finish of this foundation, okay? But anyways, let's go ahead and just slow it down and just talk about everything. Okay, so this foundation was super easy to blend. I love how it just gives your skin like that filter look, as it claims to do. Like, it does give your skin the really like filter look. Now, one thing I did notice, while this does, let me grab the other one. So while this does look like the same color, I don't know, I felt like this one was lighter, the new one. This one feels like it matches me more, and I don't know if it's just me or what, but yeah. I just feel like this one is like a little bit lighter, because the other one, like, it matches with like the outer perimeter of my body, and I feel like this one doesn't. Like, I feel like my face is like lighter. So yeah, the color is a little bit different. It's not like drastically different, obviously, but it is like a little bit different, which I'm not too mad at. But I don't like, that's what I was saying earlier, like, I don't like when they change like the color and stuff, like, because even if it's just altered a little bit, like, I notice, like, I'm looking at my face right now and I'm like, this is definitely different. But yeah, so the color is like a little bit different, so that's something that you should note. Nothing too drastic. As far as like the blendability, it was very, very blendable. Like, it was very easy for me to blend with the sponge. Now, what I will say is, when I put my concealer on top, it was like starting to set on top of the foundation, and I think because it does have a matte component in here, so you want to be careful, especially using the Huda Beauty concealer that I use today. Yeah, and this one is the high coverage creamy or the high coverage creamy concealer. So it was kind of hard for me to blend it, because I was like letting it sit on there, and when I went to go in and blend, I was like, oh my goodness. But it was okay, because I just got some setting spray, and I sprayed it, and I was able to go ahead and blend it. But I was having a little hard time there, so you want to be mindful of that, because this actually is matte. Now, while it is a matte finish, it's not like a matte to where it's gonna leave you looking dry. It is a matte to where it's you know, you could see the luminous, so it's like a matte with like a natural glow coming through, if that makes any sense. So I really do love the way that they combine the two finishes, because it doesn't look like too crazy, because I'm not wearing any highlight, but you can see like a glow from within, which I really like. And in the areas where, like, usually where I get oily, you can kind of see like the luminous part, which I don't really mind, because I did set with a powder, so I know my makeup is not going anywhere, and I use a good primer. But you will see the luminous parts coming through if you are oily. Now, here in my more dry areas, you can see that you could just see like the more matte finish, but it looks like a soft matte, so you could tell that it's not like completely matte. So do I like this foundation? I do like this foundation. I don't know about the color though. The color is kind of, I don't know if I have to wear it like a little bit more, because prior to this I only wore it one time, so I'm still kind of getting a feel of it. And I don't know, I really don't know, because even when I first put on the foundation, I did just put one drop all over my, or one pump, excuse me, all over my face, and this time I did do 2 pumps on each side. So I don't know, I feel like this is a foundation that I have to wear like 5 times before I truly know how I feel about it. The only con that I really have with this foundation so far is that the color is a little bit different from the other one, and I was just expecting to just transfer over to the other color. I feel like this one, I don't know, the undertone is a little bit different. It does match like my chest area like a little bit, but then it's a little off at the same time, and then it doesn't match. I don't know, the other foundation match. I don't know I don't know if it's the difference in the finish or what, but I just feel like the color is off a little bit. However, it does still have a nice finish, and would I recommend it? I honestly, I don't really, I don't really know if I would recommend this foundation, to be honest. I feel like I have to wear this a couple more times before I could say like, yeah, like it's a go. Like, I don't know. I know I do love, if you do want to just try a Huda Beauty foundation, I do really love their Faux Filter High Coverage Cream foundation. But this new Luminous Matte, I'm not so sure about yet. It does look very good on the skin. As you guys can see, it looks amazing on the skin. So it is nice, but I don't know, like I'm on the fence, sis. Like, I really don't know about this foundation, because I think it's just the color. When I can't get my right color foundation, it puts me in a mood. So, but anyways, I hope that you guys still enjoyed my demo. As far as the review, I just told you guys, like, I'm not sure. I have to wear it a couple more times. I am going to play with it and wear it over the next few days, and only wear this foundation at the end of this week. Once I'm done with my foundation series, I'm just going to only solely wear this one for like 4 days in a row, and I'll be able to tell like, okay, do I like this or do I not like it? But yeah, so I will be returning with an update on this foundation, or I will do an update on Instagram, or probably like in a post on here or something. So definitely make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, and also make sure your post notifications on, so if I post it on here, you'll get it either way. But yeah, that was pretty much my demo. I hope that you guys have enjoyed and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think about this foundation. Are you gonna try it? Have you tried it? Just talk to me. I would love to know how you feel about this foundation, because your girl is definitely on the fence. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.